Are you looking for the best smoke detectors? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best smoke detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall smoke detector. For a top-notch battery-powered option and our favorite overall smoke detector, check out the First Alert SCO 7CN. This alarm is straightforward to install and emits a traditional alarm and a spoken call to evacuate. It detects both smoke and carbon monoxide and tells you the maximum amount of carbon monoxide detected after an alarm has been triggered, in parts per million/ppm. The alarm is incredibly loud. While the First Alert SCO 7CN is a great basic alarm, it doesn't feature all the bells and whistles. For instance, it cannot be linked with other alarms to create an interconnected system, and this model lacks an escape light. The initial setup is a little more involved, as the programming process to set the location of the alarm is far from intuitive. All told, it's a great battery-powered alarm and is an excellent choice for those requiring a dual smoke, carbon monoxide alarm that will let you know the location of the alarm. Number 2. Another great option. For those who don't need the voice warning, the First Alert SCO 5CN is a great premium battery-powered combination smoke and CO alarm that doesn't include the extra chatter. This unit has a photoelectric sensor to help detect fires when they are still smoldering and an electrochemical CO sensor. It is super quick and easy to install, and the siren is loud to alert you in the case of fire or carbon monoxide accumulation. Thanks to a slide-out battery drawer, you can change the batteries without removing the alarm from its mount, and we appreciate that you can mute the low battery chirp for 8 hours. Perfect for those instances where the chirp starts in the middle of the night. Our biggest complaint is that the First Alert SCO 5CN does not offer interconnected system compatibility, where one alarm sounding will trigger all the others. Furthermore, it only comes with one type of smoke sensor. That means you'll need to purchase an additional type with an ionization sensor to meet the recommendations of the National Fire Protection Association. For this reason, we recommend considering another option if you only want a single brand and model of smoke detector throughout the home. That said, we think this is a great battery-powered combo smoke, co-alarm, particularly if you don't want to mess with programming locations for voice prompts and just need a simple siren. Number 3. An easy and inexpensive interconnected option. If you don't have a hardwired detector system and have always wanted to add a series of interconnected alarms, then the KID 21026044 wireless is a great option. This battery-powered alarm is straightforward to install, with a series of 8 switches on the back that let you select a unique wireless code for your alarm system. Any other alarm set with the same code will automatically go off when any interconnected alarm is activated. However, there is a limit of 24 total KID devices, with 18 being units that trigger an alarm. 12 can be smoke alarms. Many building codes require an interconnected alarm system for new construction. This model's wireless interconnectivity could be a much easier and less expensive option than running wires throughout your home. We discovered that the hush button could be a little finicky. You should be able to hit this button on the initiating alarm, and it should silence all of the others. But we found that it took a few tries before the other alarms would silence. There is also no straightforward way to precisely know which alarm triggered the others because there aren't voice announcements like some other systems have. Although these aren't trivial flaws, the KID 21026044 is one of our favorite battery-powered options for setting up an interlinked alarm system, especially when you're shopping on a budget. Number 4. Best for smart functions. If you are looking for a new smoke alarm that packs as many smart features as possible, then the First Alert OneLink Alexa Safe and Sound is a fine option. This top-tier smoke alarm can act not only as a smoke and carbon monoxide sensor but also includes a built-in Alexa-enabled speaker. It will send notifications to your phone if an alarm is triggered, allowing you to remotely monitor your home while you're away or hush false alarms right from your smartphone. You can play music with streaming services like Spotify or iHeartRadio, and the speaker sounds pretty good for being in a smoke detector. There is also a customizable night light that you can automatically turn on in the evening. Regrettably, all of these features make the safe and sound one of the priciest options we tested. The installation is more challenging because this alarm has to be wired in place and paired with the OneLink and Amazon Alexa apps. The steep price makes it unlikely that you want to install one in every room of your home. You can still connect this alarm to other compatible non-smart smoke sensors or other safe and sound units to get an interconnected alarm system for quite a bit less. We think it's also an excellent choice if you want to add more Alexa-enabled speakers to your home and want a smart smoke detector for your Alexa or Apple HomeKit system. Otherwise, it may have more smarts than most people want or need in a smoke alarm. Number 5. Best for Google, Nest Smart Homes. If you already have a Google-based smart home and want to add an intelligent smoke detector to the mix, then the Nest Protect is an excellent choice. Available in both battery-powered and hardwired versions, this smoke alarm easily integrates with your existing Nest products. It lets you remotely keep an eye on things, alerting you with push notifications if an alarm sounds. Even better, it can automatically activate a Nest camera so you can see what's going on or turn off your heating system if it detects elevated levels of carbon monoxide. The Nest Protect has smoke sensors for both flaming and smoldering fires and a motion-activated light to help you during a power outage. Unfortunately, the Nest Protect is one of the more expensive smoke alarms we have tested to date. It also isn't compatible with triggering any other smoke detectors, so be prepared to spend a serious chunk of money if you're hoping to get an interconnected alarm system and a Protect unit in every room. There aren't many options to use the Protect as a trigger for other smart devices, like having your lights turn on if an alarm is initiated, though this can change as smart systems get updated. The Nest Protect is one of our favorite options if you already have a Nest system and want a smart smoke alarm, but you need to be prepared to pay for it. Number 6. A less expensive Apple HomeKit. The AnyLink Smart Smoke Plus Carbon Monoxide Smoke Alarm is a slightly more budget-friendly option than many other smart smoke detectors on the market. It has all the necessary features you would want, like the ability to test, silence the siren right from your smartphone or alert you that an alarm has sounded if you aren't home. It's available in both battery and AC-powered versions, and both can connect to other compatible alarms to create an interconnected system. This is especially handy with the hardwired version, as you can wire it into an existing First Alert or BRK hardwired alarm system, adding smart features at a much lower cost than buying a smart smoke alarm for each room in your home. Although this product does well with the basic smart features, advanced features are limited. It is compatible with Alexa and Apple HomeKit. However, it's hard to set it to trigger actions, such as turning on the lights when an alarm sounds or turning off your heater if it detects increased levels of carbon monoxide. Additionally, the remote monitoring only works if your home wireless network is powered up and functioning. Those who need a more reliable setup may want to consider higher-end professional monitoring services. The AnyLink Smart Smoke Plus Carbon Monoxide is an excellent option if you're hoping to add some smart features to your smoke alarm system, but you're trying to save some cash.